What if I told you there is a temple where the steps sing, the halls move like a stone chariot, and every carving reveals the genius of an ancient empire? Welcome to the Airavateshwara Temple of Dharasuram, a living museum of Chola brilliance and one of India's stunning UNESCO World Heritage Sites. In the sacred Kaveri Delta near Kumbakonam stands the magnificent Airavateshwara Temple, built in the 12th century by Rajaraja Chola II. This temple is part of the prestigious Great Living Chola Temples, recognized by UNESCO for its extraordinary architecture, exquisite sculpture, and uninterrupted tradition of worship spanning nearly 900 years. The layout of the temple is a masterpiece in stone. The most striking feature is the chariot-shaped mandapa. The base is carved with wheels, horses, elephants, and guardians, giving the feeling that the entire hall is being drawn forward like a divine procession carved from a single block of granite. This design is unique among major South Indian temples. The main deity, Lord Shiva, is worshipped here as Airavateshwara. According to legend, Airavata, the white elephant of Lord Indra, was cursed and lost its radiance. To regain purity, it performed penance here and was blessed by Shiva. The name Airavateshwara commemorates this sacred event. The temple is also celebrated for its musical steps, locally known as singing stones. Each step in the small shrine near the front mandapa produces a distinct musical note when gently tapped. This acoustical marvel showcases the scientific and artistic mastery of Chola architects. Art flourishes in every corner. The walls feature miniature sculptures depicting dancers, sages, gods, warriors, and scenes from epics. The pillars display detailed carvings of mythological stories and celestial beings. The temple also houses some of the finest examples of Chola bronze and stone craftsmanship. Worship continues here as it did centuries ago. The temple opens early at around 6 a.m., closes for a brief midday break, and reopens until approximately 8 p.m. Rituals include Abhishekam, Alangaram, Naivedyam, and Deepa Aradhana, filling the sanctum with chants and the glow of oil lamps. The temple's festival calendar adds color to its spiritual atmosphere. Mahashivaratri is the most significant, drawing thousands of devotees for night-long prayers. Pradosham, occurring twice monthly, is observed with special offerings. The Aipasi Paurnami and Kartikeya Deepam celebrations light up the temple with rows of lamps. Although external structures have been lost to time, the core of the temple remains intact and breathtaking. The mandapams, Gopuram base, sub-shrines, inscriptions and sculptures continue to reflect Chola innovation and devotion. For visitors, footwear should be left outside, traditional dress is recommended, and photography is usually allowed in outer areas but often restricted near the sanctum. Early morning or evening offers the most enchanting visuals as sunlight warms the temple stones. The Airavateshwara temple is not merely an ancient monument, it is a living symphony of stone, a place where faith and art merge inseparably. Standing here, you can feel the pulse of the Cholas, their vision, their artistry, and their devotion echoing through every carving. Have you visited this UNESCO treasure? Comment below and share your darshan experience or what captivated you the most. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more temple stories.